Stephanie.
And I'm Joe.
And this is Thule. And today we're going to show you how to assemble your Indi dresser changer. All you need is a rubber mallet like this, which you can buy on our website. And if you don't have one, that's okay. We send you a rubber hammer cap that looks like that, and you can apply it to a household hammer. So we are going to go get our first pieces and get started.
Let's do it.
So first you want to grab your 4 feet, your hardware and your Allen key and your bottom panel, and you're going to attach all 4 feet. So insert your JCB bolt into the side with the larger hole and attach the foot by screwing it in and using your Allen key to make sure everything is really tight. A little tip that we suggest you do is to make sure that the edges of the foot are square to the side of the panel before you do the last full tighten into place. So just adjust it so it's all square, and then you can tighten all the way. Once all of your feet are attached, just set this piece aside for now. Okay, next lean one side panel against the wall and have your friend bring in your back panel. You want to insert the green connectors into the slots on the side, and once everything is lined up, you'll push down to lock into place.
Push down to lock into place. Now attach the remaining side panel the same way.
You can always use your mallet to just hit from the outside if you need a little help lining things up.
Push down to lock into place.
Perfect. With a friend, gently lay your piece on its back, and also known as flipping. And then you're going to flare out the sides while you grab your bottom and top panel. For the bottom panel, you want to make sure that the back sticker is facing the back. And for the top panel, you want to make sure that the 3 green connectors are facing towards the back, and then the 3 black connectors are facing upward.
Up.
Very important.
Super important.
Once the 2 pieces are in place and all of the connectors are lined up with the slots, just bring both sides back to square, and you're just going to push down on both sides to lock into place. Repeat for the top, and if you need a little extra help, just use your mallet.
All right.
All right, flip your case back into its upright position. And next you are going to attach your tray stretcher.
I'll grab that.
Oh, you got that. So all you have to do is insert the green connectors on the bottom of the stretcher into the green holes on the top panel. And yeah, just push down on both sides and you'll hear it kind of lock into place. And then you're going to take your conferment screw and insert it into the hole on the side using the smaller Allen key to attach it. And then repeat on the other side. All right, now it's time to build your drawer boxes. So take your drawer box face and lean it on a flat, soft surface. and take one of your drawer box sides, inserting the green connectors into the slots on the drawer face, and push down to lock into place. Then take your remaining drawer side and repeat the same steps. Insert the green dowels, make sure the routs are lined up, and push down to lock into place. Perfect. Now you're going to insert the bottom, making sure that the orange connector hardware is facing towards the bottom and the front of the drawer box, just like this. Feel free to use your hammer if you need to tap it into place. Then take your drawer box back, insert the green connectors into the slots on both of the drawer box sides. It's a little bit of a balancing act, but do it just like that. And then flip the drawer box upright and push the back panel into place. Perfect. Now all you have to do is attach your handle hardware. So just attach your indi pull by using the screws provided and a household screwdriver to securely attach the pull into place. Repeat the same steps on the remaining 2 drawer boxes.
Now that your drawer boxes are all built, it is time to install them on the drawer glides. Start by extending one set of drawer glides. You'll then rest the drawer on top. Locate the gray clip and pull forward as you push back on the drawer until you hear that click.
Voila!
And that's it.
And the last step is to just add some character and style, and you're done.